Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel DR650 mostly. Today we're going to be installing these Xitomer, I think is how you pronounce it, case savers on Amazon. These are a cheap case saver from Amazon, so we're going to install them on the DR650. Basically, it looks really simple. Just some RTV on the back here, and then we will just be installing them here and here, just like that, just with a little RTV on there. So we'll get to the install. Alright, this is what's in the box. This is what it'll look like. You get two fairly thick pieces of aluminum that I think should protect the case pretty well in the event that you fall over and you push your brake or your shifter lever into your case. Keep it from smacking a hole through there. So I think they will do the job for that. Comes with the silicone. Even comes with a little rag to help you clean your cases off. So you want to make sure you clean your cases really well. And then we will just apply this silicone to the underside of here and just tape it on with some painter's tape. So you're gonna want to get some painter's tape if you don't have any laying around the house. And one thing we want to make sure we do with this is wait about 24 hours after we put the silicone on there, because we don't want to go ride it right away and have that come off on us. So we should be prepared not to ride for about a day. And then, we're just going to glue them on there and tape it on there. So pretty simple install. All right, I did read the instructions here. And there's something I just want to note down here at the bottom. So that they claim that, if the color fades or it falls off while riding, just when it's kind of broken English translated from most likely Mandarin. But when you meet it, just contact them with us for free. And they will provide a new one. Thank you is what it says right there. So, yeah, I mean, sounds like they have decent customer service. If you were to damage one or if it fell off, it sounds like they'll just send you another one. Anyways, this was super cheap. I think I paid like 25 bucks for the whole set. So cheap insurance. I'm just gonna make sure the side of my case is nice and clean here for the install. I want to make sure it's extra dry before applying the RTV on there. Alright, we're just going to take this applied RTV, and as the instructions go, you kind of want to go around the outside here. And if a little bit bleeds out the other side, when you push it on there, it's not that big a deal. Just try to wipe it up before it dries. Alright, I'm just going to go kind of around the outline, but in enough to where hopefully we don't get too much bleed through of the silicone coming back the other way. Something like that. Like a Pac-Man almost. Then we'll kind of fill this in with a bit of a pattern here. And I think that should be good there. Glue that on. Alright, then we'll take our RTV piece and just carefully set it on here. We kind of just line it up by eye with this middle piece here. Carefully place it on where it looks like it's in the best location. Put a little bit of pressure on. Get the RTV to seat. Just kind of line it up to where it looks best. I already kind of set all these pieces of tape here, so I can just go ahead and lock it down. Good there. Put one up here. And just tape it into place. Should be enough to hold it where we want it like that. I'll just add a couple extras. Just tape it on, and we'll leave the tape on overnight to the next day. And it should be good. Like where I put everything looks good as well. Nothing really bleeding through, so that's kind of what I wanted. I didn't really want to have to clean up anything extra coming through. So that should be plenty. It's probably too much, but that should be good. Leave that on there for 24 hours, and we are set up here on the right side of the bike. let's just do the left side real quick and we're done. All right, RTV on the other side. Feel like we had a decent kind of thing going with the last one. Just right around here seems to be good to where it doesn't bleed out. But plenty enough to hold it on. There. And we'll go around the center. Then I'll kind of just fill in this hole here with the zigzag-ish pattern. Alright, then we'll pop that on the bike, tape it just like the other one, and we should be good. Just wait 24 hours and we'll take all the tape off. Alright, same as the other side. Just want to squeeze by the shifter here. That friction bolt hole here. Just make sure we're nice and even before taping everything down. I'll tilt it so we're even over here, even in the middle. It's kind of good just to lay on the ground here so you can really get that center part even. We just go right about there. Looks pretty good to me. I'll slide it a little bit, that part there. I went a little high right there. I'm gonna go back down. There, looks pretty good. And we'll continue just to tape everything. Probably a little easier if you took your skid plate off, but definitely doable with at least this Suzuki skid plate. I don't know about all skid plates, but I'm not taking it off for that. That's it. We'll let that dry overnight. Then we can come back to it, take a look, take all the tape off, make sure everything looks good. All right, that's it for our Xitomer. Hopefully I'm saying that right, but that's what the brand is. Case saver install. So RTV's all dried. I've gone for a couple rides. It's on their saw. They're not coming off of there. I believe it will protect the cases here in the event of a wreck. So mainly we're trying to protect it, on this side. The brake pedal gets pushed into the clutch cover over here, and on this side it'll protect against the shifter going into the side of the stator cover here. It's a good thick piece of aluminum, so I don't think it's it's not gonna protect it. I think it's gonna protect the case cover over there. I don't think you're gonna have any issues with that. So yeah, I mean, only $25 case covers. I put the Amazon links in the description. And I don't think that RTV is coming off or anything. It's on there solid, so they're on there for the long haul. Anyways, if you found this video helpful, please give me a like. Also subscribe. We're going to be doing more DR650 content just about every 2 weeks.